Hey guys, so are you HODL gang? If so, you should definitely continue forward with this video. So, what I'm about to show you are the tools and websites that I use to keep up to date with the current world of crypto, so to speak. So, if we go to Google Chrome, well, if we go to my browser, I'm going to take you to the first one, which is cryptocurrency capitalization. So Coinmarketcap.com. And what you can find here are all of the coins that are available to us. So right here, this is going in order from highest market cap to lowest. And so I'll be showing you how to use this. So for instance, right now, Bitcoin is at about $137 billion in market cap with a circulating supply of 16 million. Let's round it to 17 million in this case. Usually what some rookies would do coming into crypto would say something such as, hey, look at this coin, it's worth 4 cents. Wasn't Bitcoin once worth $1 or $2, even a cent? Well, maybe this can go up to $8,000. And they would put up things such as Tron, which is approximately worth 4 cents right now. Stellar Lumens, XLM, worth 29 cents. Cardano, 25 cents. The list goes on and on. And they would always talk about these really, really low price coins. And they would always put up returns on investments of $8,000 or $1,000. And they're really wrong in every single way. And here's why. You see, if you really think that Tron, Stellar Lumens, Cardano, or whichever one of these cheap coins will ever surpass Bitcoin in market cap, unless you really think that, it's not a good idea to just go ahead and buy these cheap coins. So for instance, the current price of Bitcoin is about $8,000 with a market cap of about, let's say, 140 billion. If you divide the market cap by the circulating supply, you'll be given the price, and if you multiply the price by the circulating supply, you're given the market cap. A little thing of supply and demand here shows that the supply is 17 million Bitcoins in circulating supply. 21 million being the max for Bitcoin, but that's besides the point. There are 17 million in circulating supply for Bitcoin. And it's at about 8,000. What is it for Tron? For all these people that go into Tron and always talk that it's 4 cents and that it could go to hundreds of dollars. It's at 65 billion. Mathematically speaking, that's about 400 times the supply of Bitcoin, which is why it's worth 4 cents or so, with a market cap of $2.8 billion. Now, let's say Tron did go to $100. Where would Tron stand? Well, Tron would definitely stand and be worth more than Bitcoin, because can't really think about how many times more that would be than Bitcoin, but it would be a lot. And from the looks of it, since this is 2.8 and this is about 140 billion roughly, Bitcoin is about 70 times more than Tron. Meaning, if Tron were to be 70 times more than it is now, which is roughly $2.80, let's put it at 3, it would be more than Bitcoin in market cap, and it would be the king of the cryptocurrency market. So that's what I have to say about that. You can even compare other coins such as Stellar, such as Cardano, what have you. So that's that as far as financially and economics. Always think of supply and demand. Bigger supply, less of a price for it. Simple economics. Another thing about CoinMarketCap is that if you want big returns on your investments, it's never really too great to go after these top 10 coins, top 50 coins, because they already have made a foundation for themselves. You know, how much money are you really going to make if you go into Stellar right now? It's at 5 billion. Who knows? I may even be wrong. But what I'm trying to say is that if you get a coin, let's say over here, in the top 100 or 200, for instance, I'm actually in Blue Zeal. So let's Blue Zeal. Gonna go right here, and we can see that Blue Zeal is at about 49 cents. But what is it ranked? It's ranked 146 right here with $81 million market cap. I really believe in this coin. Its main focus is decentralized databases, and it's had numerous partnerships with many different companies. This is at 81 million. Look at the amount of billions that are into other coins such as Stellar. In my eyes, this can be bigger than something like Stellar. This can be bigger than something like Tron, which personally Tron, I really don't know what it's about. And same thing goes for numerous other coins. So just be smart about your investments and learn to invest smart and not gamble. So I want to get a big return on investment. I have a lot in Blue Zeal. So that's that. Also, Daddy you can check out too. I mean, I'm only putting up right here the coins I'm invested in, but don't take this as financial advice. Really don't. Invest smartly and invest. See, I'm in Daddy and it's about 384. So that's really low, and it's at 14 million. So guys, you could see that this thing goes into billions. We're very set, at least the investors of Daddy, and you have a big return on investment. So let's clear up for CoinMarketCap. Think economically and be smart. You don't have to know a lot of math to do this kind of math. And second, if you want big returns on your investment, go after top 200, top 100 coins. They are more risky, although if done good research, you will get big returns on investments. So guys, the second tool I'd like to address here is cryptocurrency calendar. So coinmarketcal.com. Basically what this shows us are the different events and seminars, conferences, what have you, about any particular coin that interests you. So for instance here, as a sample, I chose NEO. You know, looked up NEO and I hit the search bar. So here's NEO, and these are all the different events by date. April 18th, blockchain career. April 30th, Robinhood listing, so it'll be listed on Robinhood. Things like this usually jack up the price. But nonetheless, the reason why I'm showing this is because if you're following a particular coin, you could use events to your advantage. So if we go up here, blockchain career fair. So this little flame icon right here that you see, it usually means that some important and some that'll drive up the price. And as I said, you can use these to your advantage. You know, what I really like about this is that it also shows the proof and the source from where it's from. So if we click on proof, it'll come up. See, big little advertisement, UC Berkeley. there'll be a blockchain career fair. It was actually very interesting. But yeah, you can use it to your advantage. And you can use it for any coin. If you have a coin bought, and let's say at a certain date, there's a certain event that you think will drive up the price, such as listing on a big market, such as Binance or Bittrex. Binance mostly right now, since it's doing very, very well. And you can use it to your advantage. I won't go too deep into, let me just refresh this, into technical analysis in this video, although I will be doing technical analysis videos in which I'll be using chart patterns to describe things. If there's an uptrend, so it's more on the bullish side, or a downtrend, more on the bearish side. Yeah, that's what I'll be doing. So that's it for today, guys. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my video. Also, please subscribe to YoloniX. The link will be down in the description. He's a very good technical analysis trader and is always posting, whether it be on Twitter or YouTube, with facts. He isn't all about the hype on, oh yeah, go into this coin and not give any specific reason for it. Does a very good job, and I think you guys should subscribe to him and many others. But for now, that's all. Take care, guys.